Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming credentials and device readiness. This prevents wasted steps. First, sign out of Icloud if you can, then sign back in to trigger a refresh. Make sure your device runs the latest OS because many Icloud errors stem from incompatibility. If you must, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Cellular can drop packets and cause timeouts. Once done, note any error code shown so you can address it specifically in the next steps. Now you dig into settings to find the root cause. Open iCloud settings and toggle the problem service off, wait 10 seconds, then toggle it on to force a resync. This often clears conflicts. Verify two-factor authentication, remove stale trusted devices, and reauthorize the current one if needed. Next, check storage and billing. Insufficient iCloud storage or billing holds can block syncs, so resolve those before moving on. Make sure devices show consistent Apple ID info across platforms. Finish by applying the decisive steps that resolve most remaining issues. Restart the device to clear transient processes, then attempt the iCloud action you need: backup, sync, or restore. If authentication still fails, reset your Apple ID password from the account page and reauthorize devices. This reestablishes trust and tokens. Make sure to attempt the operation after each change. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, record the exact error code and recent device activity. That information speeds up support diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.